Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a simple booking system for your business, whether you are running a salon, coaching clients, or just trying to stay organized, you have probably come across Acuity scheduling and Square appointments. They both help you take bookings online, but the question here is which one actually fits your workflow better? I spent using time on both of these, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the real world experience, what each platform does well and where it falls short, and who I think each one is best for. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links that are given down in the description. These are the link of all the resources mentioned in today's video. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start with equity. So if you are someone who wants control over every part of your booking flow, like custom forms, client intake questions, even setting buffer time between the sessions, Acuity is built for that. The dashboard might look a bit plain at first, but once you get the hang of it, it is incredibly flexible. One thing that I love is how deeply you can customize the client's communications, like confirmation emails and reminders. You can also connect it to Zoom or Google Meet automatically, which is also super handy if you do the virtual sessions. Now, switching to the Square appointments, this one feels smoother right out of the box, especially if you are already using Square for payments. You can set up, takes just a few minutes, and the interface feels modern and clean. You can just manage your bookings from here. You can accept the payments, you can track your sales, and the interface also feels very modern, and you can even run the loyalty programs, all of these things from one place. Where Square really shines is the physical location, like salons and barber shops, massage therapists, because the appointment system is directly tied into the POS. You don't need the 5 different tools to run your business. That said, you need things like detailed form and before a session, or you offer online coaching where scheduling and prep is everything. Square might feel a little basic. Now, when it comes to the pricing, you just have to simply come on acuityscheduling.com first of all, and here you will see this pricing section. So once you click on pricing, you will see their pricing. So their pricing start with $16 per month, but you can save 20% if you just apply for it annually. Similarly, if you select the growing plan of theirs, you are going to just give them $27 per month, but you can again save 20% with their annual plan. The powerhouse plan is a bit expensive, that is $49 per month, but you can save extra 20% if you apply for the annual plan. And if you are an enterprise, if you want the custom pricing for yourself specifically, you can just come here and click on this learn more option, and from here you can just click on get in touch, and you can fill out this form in which you need to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your company, and why are you actually interested in the enterprise plan. Then you just have to simply select any of these options that are given that best resonates with you, and then you need to fill out this captcha and submit this form. So this way you will be able to customize the pricing as per your convenience, and you can choose the plan as per your budget and as per your convenience. Now remember that the previous plans that I have showed you were the annual plans, but if you just want to pay monthly, these are going to cost some extra money to you. Now if we talk about the pricing of Square appointments, you will have to come on this page, and over here you will see the third tab of pricing. Now once you click on pricing, you will be on this pricing page where you can start using it absolutely for free, which is not the case with this one. Now here you will see their plus plan, which starts with $29 per month as per your location, and their premium plan is $69 per month, and you can start their free trial, and you can even just take a look at their features. I have also talked about their features previously, so you can just take a look at them in detail over here. So what does this mean to all? I would recommend you can go with Acuity if you want full control over the client's experience, if you want to customize the forms, and if you are mostly into the operation of online business. Then you can choose Square Appointments if you are running a storefront, if you need integrated payments, and if you want something that just work without any extra tools. Now, if this video helped you out, hit that like button and drop a comment of what you are using now. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech comparisons as well. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.